When I post a concrete slab for the shed, I put some attention on this AC unit. The fact that I installed a shed that was standing straight made the air conditioner stick out like a sore thumb, leaning over. I did have some comments asking how would I level this. By the time you're seeing this video, I would have already replaced the unit entirely. I figured I'd make a quick video to show you my approach to leveling a concrete slab. This is a smaller slab, but no reason you couldn't take the same approach and apply it to a bigger slab. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the center of the slab and dig down. The minute I get the depth of this low enough, I'll slide a piece of wood right under. Then I'll take a hydraulic jack and place it on top of the wood. Next, I'm going to cut off a piece of wood to use in between the jack and the slab. I'll now lift the jack until I can see that it's leveled. I don't know how straight this slab was to begin with, but you can clearly see that if it was straight, it fell a lot. Now I'm gonna move over to the side and start to dig out from under the slab. I want to dig out enough so I can work comfortably and place a block right under the slab. Now, if you want to accomplish this same method in a more involved way, you could do exactly what I'm doing. Rather than put in a block, you can mix up some fresh concrete, pour it right under the slab, and that could act as a footer. I think this way is rather quick and you can do it in about 30 minutes. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. With the blocks in place, I can simply remove the jack as the slab rests on the blocks. Now, all I have to do is get the dirt back onto the slab and compact it to the best of my abilities. And while I was at it, I decided to clean up the area. Now, if I was to leave it like this, surely some of the dirt will wash away again. I could lay sod here to help contain the dirt, but overall, I think the main reason for the erosion, it was likely because of the rainwater coming off the roof and washing this away. I did recently put gutters on, so that should help quite a bit. I did all of this just to show you guys how you can address this simple little problem. But in the next video, I'm gonna turn this entire area into a concrete slab. So I can confidently say, see you on the next one.